This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Fortnite. So Fortnite, the extremely popular game, what you can do is you can come to store.epicgames.com/Fortnite. Now I'll put that URL in the description, video description just below this video, so you can just click on that and you'll wind up on this download page. And then all there is left to do is click on Get right here, this big blue button on the right hand side. You click on Get and you will now sign into your Epic Games account. So you can sign in with email. There's a ton of other options you can sign in with everything from Google, Steam, even a My Disney account, Apple account, Facebook, so on and so forth. A Lego account, didn't even know there was a Lego account, but apparently there is. You can sign in a million different ways, and you will just follow the installer steps from there. Hopefully you have found this video on how to download and get Fortnite useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.